Welcome back to the 5x10 Teardrop. Still working on it. Took a quick trip to the ranch. I'll give you a quick peek at the inside. Got my drip rails laying there. What I want to do today, I'm not going to leave it running for you guys to do the ground like that, is these tail lights. I had left them on here to the last minute so I don't have to rig something up to go someplace, and we did go someplace. We went to this ranch and camped out. So now I'm going to cut. I want to take this piece loose from that pipe, and I'll take it and weld it down here. And I'm going to take this off of here, and I'll grind it smooth to make it look clean and fresh. I'll put this piece of wood down so I won't burn the paint on the deck here. And I put a piece of wood on here, so while I'm grinding, I don't have to worry about it messing up my epoxy. And then whenever I go to weld, I don't have to worry about messing up the epoxy. So protect your work so you don't have to do extra work. Now I'm going to shut it down, get all my safety gear on, and I'll take the tail light off and start cutting it apart and go from there. And I'll bring y'all back at the next video and we'll see how far we've gotten. This is just a quick one, so hang in.